I always reach the class in the nick of time. And guys, this is the reason why I always come late in the class. And yeah, to be very honest, it's very difficult for me to choose a particular dress for every morning. It's difficult. And yeah, it's my last day today for the class because our exam is around the corner and we are getting holiday for study leave. So yeah.
Most of you will increase by one, most of you, because I see the attendance, but there are a few who got a -1. Okay, so let's move on.
This is my syllabus, international relations or international politics, and I'm searching for this Malhotra and Basu. Yeah, this book are very nice, so that's why I'm searching for that two book. So I hope I will get it. In the first semester, we read theory after theory after theory, Karl Marx, capitalism, socialism, communism, and in second semester, constitution after constitution after constitution, USA Constitution, Britain Constitution, and now we have international relations. Our college provides us so many opportunities, and we are extremely satisfied with all their opportunities, and we are very thankful to our college. But to be very honest, apart from that, we are not satisfied with our classroom benches, and we are still using blackboard and also this green board. So I'm not satisfied, to be very honest, with this. But yes, we have projector in every respected classes. We have also gym in our college,